Your CRM is a graveyard and your pipeline is full of lies. G'day, I'm JD from Sales Director Central. Go and open your CRM. Go and actually open your CRM right now, and just notice the amount of opportunities that have had no activity for 3 weeks or 3 months. They have no activity absolutely at all. And the challenge is you're reporting those numbers to your board or leadership team. Here's what's actually happening. A rep gets an opportunity, gets super excited about it, which is great. They go and meet them, they go and have a discovery call. Looks like the client really needs what we have. They have interest versus intent. We go ahead, do a presentation, do a proposal. It marches through the CRM. It gets up to stage 3, 4, or 5, whatever the CRM stages you have are. And it's all very exciting. Then the opportunity starts slowing, or the client stops returning calls. They don't get back to us. They start ghosting us. The CRM and the pipeline become more of a wish list with a dollar sign attached, and they tracking activity from 6 and 8 weeks ago rather than what's current. Go and have a look at your CRM. In the Fair Income department, take out all the opportunities that just have no activity. There's no movement, nothing's happened on it. Reforecast and see if you can't get closer to where you're actually going to finish by the end of the month. Happy selling.